Can you hear me now? One of these days I will learn how to use this technology. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm glad I looked at your comments. Oh, I do try to, Patty, to remember everything to do, but I just get so excited about what I'm doing and it doesn't give me until I look at y'all's comments. Do I see that? I apologize, but you should have sound now. And I've been talking for 5 minutes, so I apologize. Oh my gosh, it's so frustrating. All right. Anyways, you need a card base. So we're working on card sketch number 30. You need a card base. And the first thing you're going to do is take some designer series paper. Hi, Merlin. I can hear you meowing. Yes, darling. Can you hear my cat in the background? All right, so here's my DSP, and I cut it at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then I cut it on the diagonal. Now, you have enough for 2 cards now. Okay. Yes, Pumpkin. I love you. You want to come say hi to everybody? All right, so we're going to put that right there. See how the card sketch is? And then this piece, you can either, this piece, you can either flip it and do it this way, or you could do it here, okay? Or you can put it here and make it the exact same kind. Doesn't matter, however you want to use it. All right, so there's that. Now, the next thing I want to do, notice here on the sketch, I have this dark line. Have y'all seen our border dies? I love these. These are so cool, okay? Love these border dies. Oh, and I wanted to double check. Hold on 2 seconds to see if it's retiring. I was thinking that they were, but I wanted to double check. Hold on. Yes, Merlin, I hear you, darling. Oh. No, no, they're not. Okay, border dies are not retiring. Okay, so these are not retiring. You can continue to purchase these all through the next year. Okay, so I'm using this zigzag, and I want you all to see this. It's in the case. You can't see it very well. There we go. Pull it up to the camera. There we go. Do you see how it's got stitches on both sides? And then it's got the cut line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a 1-inch strip of designer paper, okay? And I just laid the die right on the paper. Now, if you'll notice, it's not long enough. So what I did, let me show you how I did this. It was real simple. I just took the 1-inch strip, okay, like this, and I laid the die on there, okay, ran it through the through the cutting machine. Then I took it and I just overlapped it right there, and it will fit nice and snug where the cuts are, okay, and it'll stay. And take a piece of washi tape to hold it and run it through again, and you'll get the whole thing cut off. Now, this is 8 1/2. You only need about 7 1/2. But I always just go ahead and cut a 1-inch off the edge of a piece of 8 1/2 by 11. That way I know I have enough, because it is 7 inches from here to here. Okay, so you're going to need a little more than 7 inches. You want at least a little bit so it goes off the edge. So let me show you here on the card. Okay, you'll want it to go just a little past, so it doesn't leave any white showing on the corners there. Okay, so now, and I've got 2 of them. So I'm going to put this one up here with this extra piece. We can make that one later. Keep this one here. And I'm just going to adhere this on here. So let me get my tape. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. All right, here we go. And, oh, whoops, that's not what I want to do. I apologize. I want to put this on here. Okay, and so I'm going to leave a little bit off the edge there. Okay. And I'm not going to trim it till I get it on the card. And once I get it on the card, then I'll trim it. Okay, so let's get this. See how it needs to come a little bit more right there? Okay. Love this. Now, another thing what would be fun is to take a second one and put another color back there, maybe. There's lots of things you can do with this card sketch. I'm just doing the simple, just following it exactly the way it is, but there are lots. Just let your imagination run wild. Okay, and now I'm just using the card base as a guide and cutting off. Oh, it looks like I didn't exactly fold it straight, but that's okay. All right, there we go. Now look how nice that is. Isn't that pretty? So pretty, so pretty. And oh, and I forgot to mention, so I'm using Magenta Madness. It's being discontinued. I love this color. If you all love this bright pink, you are going to want to make sure you get whatever you can in the catalog that's still available. A lot of it's sold out already because this color family, these in colors were so popular. But I just want to remind you that this color pink is going away on May the 3rd. It will no longer be available. And like I said, products that have already sold out, they're not coming back. Okay, so it's while supplies last. Okay, discontinued, and it's only available while supplies last. All right, so that is that. Now, what are we going to do next? We need a circle. See the circle? There's the circle thing here. Well, I was looking at another retiring thing, and do you all have, oops, where did it go? Oh, shoot. I've done lost my mind. I had it right here so I could share it with you all. The circles. Did I put them in that? Yeah, I did. I put them in the die cutting drawer. All right, so these circles, and it's called Circles of Friendship. All right, so this is a bundle here. This is all retiring. If you all need a die to make doilies, this is a beautiful doily right here that you can cut out, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make a doily for our circle. All right, and put that there. And I have, what do I have here? Where's my doily? Ah, there it is. All right, so this designer paper has gold in it. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see the gold there. So I cut it out of gold. I thought that would be pretty. There we go. And then I didn't want to stamp, I can't stamp on the gold there. So what I did is I stamped on white paper and then used one of my layering circles that fit in there and cut that out. Okay, isn't that pretty? All right, let's put that together. And that just fits perfectly right inside that little stitch circle. We definitely need dimensionals. Can't put anything, can't leave off the dimensionals. Not a card without dimensionals. Oh my goodness, I want to see who's, oh, thank you, Doris, for sharing. I apologize. And you too, Debbie. I don't apologize. I'm thanking you. Oh, my brain is just crazy. Just need to slow down. Oh, it's snowy in Montana, Tiffany says. Oh, my goodness. We have officially, I believe, hit spring here in Texas. It's super windy here. It's that kite flying weather, kind of a hot wind, but we love it. All right, so there's that. Now, we need some bling. These little guys, I love these, and they're in the in colors that are retiring, and there's still plenty of these. These haven't, I don't think these have run out yet. If they have, I apologize, but they hadn't run out a while ago. But I just love this pink. Isn't that pretty? And then I like putting them like diamonds instead of squares. So put them that way. And I like that they have the two sizes. Oops, there we go. Okay, and let's get another one. You know what? I'm going to use up these guys. There we go. Let's put one there. And then we'll put a third set over here. There we go. I like doing threes also. Yay! And that is sketch number 30. I cannot wait to see what you all created. Again, congratulations to Barbara Christie for her card that she created. I randomly picked these names. There's nothing to do with what they, I mean, they obviously have to follow the, here we go. So they have to follow the challenge, and it was a slimline card. There's Christy's card again. Don't forget paper pumpkin. You have until April 10th. It's going to be butterflies, and again the last chance sale. Lots of products that are on sale. Some are not on sale, but they are discontinuing, so they're while supplies last. You all, thank you so much for joining me this morning for today's card challenge. I can't wait to see what you all create. Remember, go to facebook.com/creating with Kristina, and the challenge will be posted, will be pinned at the top of the page for those of you watching on YouTube, watching the replay. Those of you who are here with me live, thank you so much for joining me, and I apologize again for the sound. Yay, and I'm looking through all your comments. Oh, lots of comments. I'll go back and read them all in just a minute. Okay, you guys are awesome. Oh, one more thing, totally forgot. Friday. Friday will be pre-recorded. Our church is doing our women's retreat. After 2 years, we're finally going back to Alasso Ranch. And I'm really excited about that. My friend and I are going to the women's retreat this weekend. So Fridays will be pre-recorded, but you'll be able to find it. Okay, bye-bye.